Hello guys, this is Moi from Chima Electronics. I'm so glad to show you Chima's connector factory with today's video. Our connector factory is located in Shenzhen and it has been open since 2004. It covers an area of more than 10,000 square meters. Chima connectors have been widely used on smart home products, medical devices, industrial robots, and electric vehicles. Today, I'm gonna lead you to tour our stamping workshop, injection molding shop, and assembly line. Here we go! This is our stamping workshop. This workshop is to produce a terminal and supplies the terminal to our factory in Dongguan to do wiring harness and cable assembly. Besides, terminal is also used here in this factory to make connectors like wire-to-wire connectors, portable connectors, and wire-to-board connectors. I'd like to invite one technician, Mr. Liu, to tell us more detailed information about machines and products in this workshop.
主要负责五进生产五进模端子的，冲压切件8台冲床，主要生产0.8至4.2的间距，每年产能8kg 左右。
Now we are here in the injection molding shop. This shop is to produce plastic housing.
我们注射间总共有20台发热和注射机，主要生产0.8批矩到4.2批矩的电子连接器，主要应用领域主要有消费电子和汽车电子，每天的产能在2kg 左右。
Alright, now let's go to have a look on the assembly process. As you can see, either from the stamping and molding workshop or from this assembly shop, the automation rate in our factory is rather high. That's all for today's video about our connector factory. Follow me to know more about production of wiring harness and connector. See you next time. Bye!